scene is you are having a Furcon on the sinking Titanic.
So is this the sound effects where we still talk, but they also make sound effects?
You do not talk.
We do not talk.
You are physically miming a Furcon on the Titanic while it is sinking.
I thought they talked and acted and we sound effected.
No. You just sounded. They don't have microphones.
I don't know. I just want to know what I'm doing before I do it.
You are providing all sound effects and try to not do words, but occasionally it is kind of funny.
Gotcha.
Do you like Draggor?
Take over from the train or the new work cancelled.
Okay.
Oh, you work for Marta?
Sound effect, folks. Do you understand and are you ready? Performers, are you ready? Begin.
On ill was of a hair went off a horse what did our hand. Jack had plenty of room. And ahead of this was an empty land, freaking iceberg. I don't know. It could be.
3, 2, 1.
We're gonna need it in the bucket.
Oh.